Hi, grade twos. How are you today? I hope you guys are ready for another lesson. This time, it's math. So we're going to be doing maths today, and I have something for you. As you can see, these letters spell math. M-A-T-H. And just a little something we can think about when we think about the word math is this. Mistakes allow thinking to happen. So that means even if we make mistakes just give us a chance to think about it a little longer, or to think about it harder, to think about it again. And if we make mistakes, it's okay. We can just try and try and try and try again. So we just think about it and then try again, and maybe the next time we will get it right. So especially in maths, that's something for you to think about. Just try your best, and if you make a mistake, it's okay. Just try again. Okay, are you guys ready for today's lesson? You need your maths booklets and your thinking caps on. Are you ready? Let's go. I miss you guys and I cannot wait to see you. Hello, everyone. Say hello to the little penguin. How are you today, grade twos? Are you feeling sick? Are you excited? We're doing maths today, so how excited are you? Are you good? Are you great? What about hungry? Who's hungry? I'm always hungry. How about angry? Anybody feeling angry today? And what about sad? Are you sad? I hope not. I hope everybody is great. Okay, before we begin our maths lesson, I want us to play a game. Would you like to play a game? Okay, so this is the game. It is a bomb game. Here we have a bomb, and the bomb is going to explode in 10 seconds. So you have to solve the question above the bomb. The question will be over here, and you have to get the answer before the bomb explodes. Okay, how about we have a practice? Let's have a practice round. Ready?
Go!
Go! So what is 5 plus 4? Quickly! Oh! Time's up. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So who got 9 as the answer? If you said 9, then you're correct and you can give yourself 1 point. Okay, so are we ready to start the real game? Are you ready? The first questions are addition. So let's go. 7 plus 6. Stop. Okay, grade twos. 7 plus 6 equals? That's correct. 13. If you got 13, you get 1 point. The next question. 15 plus 8. Quickly. Stop. 15 plus 8 is 23. If you got 23, then you have 2 points. Okay, the next questions are subtraction. Are you ready?
Go!
25 minus 5. Stop! Okay, what's 25 minus 5? 20. Good job.
Go!
17 minus 9. Stop! Okay, what's 17 minus 9? Yep, it's 8. So if you got 8, you have 4 points now. And are you ready? The final question is addition and subtraction together. Oh no! Are you ready?
Go!
Go! Addition, 50 plus 10, and then subtraction. Quickly. Oh, stop. Okay, grade 2s, what is the answer? So first, for this question, you have to add 50 plus 10 is 60. And then 60 minus 30 is 30. So who got 30? Good job. Well done, grade 2s. I hope you got 5 points. Okay, we're finished with our game and now it's time to start our maths lesson. So are you ready for maths? Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, teacher. Let's get out our maths booklets. So this is grade 2 maths and week 1. So if you can take your booklets out and have them with you, we can start. Let's go. You ready? Okay, grade 2s. The first page of your booklet is all about money. Who loves money? Money makes us buy lots and lots of things like candy and shawarmas and all the toys that we want. We need to have money so that we can buy things. So let's see what money we use in Oman. So I'm going to start with the name of the money. Okay, have you seen this before? This is called 100 paisa. So in Oman, this is Omani money or currency, and the name of this note is 100 paisa. What about this one? This one is 500 paisa. If you have 500 paisa and you have another 500 paisa, then you're going to get 1 real. So we say that 500 paisa is also half a real. It's half. So when we have 2 paisas, 2 500 paisas, we get 1 real. So this is 1 real. How about this one? This is 5 real. And the next one is 10 real. You're lucky Miss Neesa put the Arabic, so you can actually see the Arabic number here, yeah? This is 10. So 10 reals. What about this one? There's a clue over here and here. You're right. This is 20 real. 20 real is a lot of money. What about this one? This is the biggest one of all. This is 50 reals. Wouldn't you love to have lots and lots and lots of 50 reals? Yeah? Okay. So those notes are all the currency we have in Oman. That's the money that we use in Oman to buy things. 100 paisas, 500 paisa, 1 real, 5 reals, 10 reals, 20 reals, and 50 reals. So here are the names of the currencies or the notes, and you're going to put the name on the line. So what is this one? Which picture is it? Find the picture and then write the name on the line. So I'm sure you can do that part on your own, yeah? Okay. The next page of money or currency is adding the money. So I have all this money. I want to know how much money do I have? Let's use this as an example. So this is question 1. You have these inside your pocket and these inside your pocket. How much money do you have in your pocket? Let's count. So we're going to start here with reals. We have to do reals first and then paisas. Let's start here. What is this? This is 10 reals plus 5 reals. And the last one is 1 real. So what is 10 plus 5 plus 1? That's right. 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 16. So I have 16 reals. Then the next, we count the paisas. What is this? 500 paisa plus 100 paisa plus another 100 paisa. 500 plus 100 plus 100 equals 700. So I have 700 paisas. So all together, how much money do I have in my pocket? I have 16 reals and 700 paisas. And this example is in your booklets. Here it is over here. So you can use that to help you to answer the rest of the questions. You can do number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 on your own. Okay? Good job. The next page, page 5. Okay, grade 2s, this is simple addition and subtraction, and we call them fact families. So let's start here. Okay, let's say I have 2 numbers. I have number 1 and I have number 2. So I have 1 and 2. Let's say 1 is A and 2 is B. What is 1 plus 2? A plus B. What is 1 plus 2, everyone? That's correct. It's 3. So we will call this C. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. We can say A plus B equals C. 1 plus 2 equals 3. But we can also start with 2 and we can say 2 plus 1 is also 3. So B plus A is also C. 2 plus 1 equals 3. What about subtraction? What if we said C minus A? If I say C minus A, I'm going to get B. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And I can also say C minus B is A. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, grade 2. So these 4 sentences or these 4 equations are known as fact families. And we start with 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then we can say 2 plus 1 is also 3. And then we can say 3 minus 2 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So using this can help you to solve all the rest of the equations. So for example here, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And you can do the rest on your own. Okay, page 6. We have simple addition and simple subtraction. And you have a number line. Can you see the number line? Here is our number line. Let's start with addition. So if I have 10 plus 2, 10 candies plus 2 more candies. When we add, we go this way on the number line. We get higher and higher and higher and higher. And we get more and more and more and more and more candy. So if I start with 10, and then I'm going to add 2. 1, 2. Now I have 12 candies. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Easy, right? Let's try subtraction. Now, when you subtract, you have to go the other way. When you subtract, the candies get less and less and less and less, and oh no, I have 0 candy. So 10 minus 1, 2 is 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So this, grade 2s, is how you use a number line to add and subtract. So you can use this number line on the side of your worksheet to do all the sums that I gave you. Okay. The next page, page 7. Number buddies. I hope everybody remembers their number buddies. Let's see if we can remember them. Number 1. Who is number 1's buddy? Can anybody tell me? That's right. 9. 9 and 1 are buddies. 9 plus 1 makes 10. What about 2's buddy? Who's 2's buddy? Yes, 8. 8 is 2's buddy because 2 plus 8 makes 10. How about number 3? Who's number 3's buddy? That's right, number 7. 3 and 7 are buddies. 3 plus 7 makes 10. Who's 4's buddy? 6. 6 and 4 are 10. So 6 and 4 are buddies. And the last one is 5. 5 only likes 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5's buddy is 5. Okay. So now that you know the buddies, you can fill them in on your worksheet. 1 plus 9 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus, I don't know, is 10. You can do it on your own. Okay, page 8. Page 8 is addition and subtraction with regrouping. So now it's getting a little harder because we have very big numbers. 61 plus 21. So what we need to do is we need to do it slowly, and we have some extra boxes up here. Let's look at addition first. Okay, addition with regrouping. Let's look at the middle one, this one. Now, grade 2s, when you add big numbers like 18 plus 74, you have to start with this side, which is called the units. So first we start with just the units. And then we look at this side, which is the tens. So the units first, and then the tens. So let's start with the units. What is 8 plus 4? Let's count on our fingers. 8 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. But I don't have space for 12. In this box, I can only write one number. So I will put 2 in the box, and then I take the 10 that's left and I move it up on top over there. So now I've regrouped. I carried the 10 and I put him up here. Now I'm going to add all the 10s. 1 plus 1 plus 7. What is 1 plus 1 plus 7? That's right, it's 9. So now I have my answer. 18 plus 74 is 92. So that's how we do addition with regrouping. Let's try subtraction. Now, subtraction is a little harder, but let's take it slowly. So we'll start with this one. Let's start with this question in the middle here. So same like addition, we start with this side, which is the units, and then we do the tens. So let's start with the units first. What is 9 minus 9? Don't forget, we're doing subtraction, so we're going to say minus. What is 9 minus 9? If I have 9 candies and I give 9 of them away, or I throw them away, how many candies will I have left? 0. So I can just write 0. And then I do the tens. So what is 4 minus 1? 4 candies minus 1 candy is 3 candies, correct? So 49 minus 19 is 30. So this one is a little bit easy because we just do the units and then we do the tens. Let's try this one because this one is a little bit harder. So we're going to start with the units and then we're going to do the tens. So let's start with the units. Now, what is 0 minus 3? Oh no, I can't minus 3 from 0 because if I don't have any candy, then how am I going to take away any candy? So I need this number, this 0, I need it to be a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take from this number, from 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the 6 and I'm going to just take 1 out. So I will be left with 5. I took 1 away and I'm going to use it over here. So here's my 5 plus my 1 is 6. So this 6 is gone. The 5 is up here and I'm going to use the 1 on this side. And I will put my 0 on top. So now I have 10 here. I don't have 0 anymore. I borrowed 1 from the 6 and now I have 10. So now I can say 10 minus 3 equals, what is 10 minus 3? Yes, it's 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now I can do the units. 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? That's right, 5 minus 4 is 1. So now I can say 60 minus 43 is 17. And how did I do that? If you have a very small number over here, you're going to borrow a 10 from here. So I took a 10 from the 6 and I carried it onto this side. And then I minus. I hope that was clear, grade 2s. So if you have an easy number like this, you just subtract the units and subtract the tens. But if the number is very small and you have a bigger number at the bottom, then you have to borrow from the tens and you take it from the 10 and you put it in the units. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So, because addition and subtraction with regrouping is very difficult and not very easy to understand, I found some videos for you guys that will help you to remember what to do when you're adding and subtracting very big numbers. So this video is addition with regrouping, and when you click on the link, you're going to find this video, and then you're going to watch it because it's really cool. And then this video is subtraction with regrouping. So when you click on the link, you're going to see this video. And both of these videos are actually songs that are going to help you remember what to do when you add and subtract very big numbers. So check out these videos and watch them many, many times and try to sing along with the songs. And I hope that helps you to understand better. Okay, the next page of our booklets, page 9. This is addition and subtraction word problems. So now there's a little bit of English here. We have to read the question carefully and then write the answer on the line. So let's do the first one together. Ducks in a pond. If there are 5 ducks in a pond and 3 more fly in, how many are there now? Okay, so I have 3 ducks in the pond. Sorry, we have 5 ducks in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks in the pond and 3 more. 5 more means plus. So I'm going to add because I have more ducks and they are also flying into the pond. So 5 plus 3 equals how many? 8. So 5 plus 3 more is 8 ducks. So how many ducks will there be now? 8 ducks. So you just have to read the question very carefully and you decide if it's addition or subtraction, and then you solve the answer. Okay, the next page of your booklets. Page 10, the last page of this booklet, is position and movement. Now, we did this together in class and we did it as a practical activity. So do you remember we wrote on our hands clockwise, anti-clockwise, and we turned around in the classroom and we got really dizzy and sometimes we almost fell down? Well, if you remember that lesson, then you're going to be able to do this worksheet very easy. So let me just revise with you all these words: forwards, backwards, clockwise, anti-clockwise, a quarter turn, a half turn, a whole turn, and a right angle. So these words have to go on these lines to match the pictures. So let's start. This guy is walking. In which direction is he walking? Is he walking forward or backward? That's right, he's walking forward. So when we walk forward, we say the direction that we're walking in is forward. How about SpongeBob? Is SpongeBob walking forward? No, SpongeBob is walking backwards. He's walking towards his back. He cannot see where he's going, right? But he knows where the door is. So we can say SpongeBob is walking backwards, forwards, and backwards. How about a clock? When you have a clock, which way does the clock turn? Or the hands on the clock? The hands go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when we go this way, we say this direction is clockwise. We are turning the same way that the hands of the clock turn, clockwise. But if we go the other way, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then we say anti-clockwise. We are going in the opposite direction of the clock, anti-clockwise. What about turning? This ladybug is turning only up to 3 o'clock. So we can say the ladybug has made a quarter turn because it is a quarter of the clock. This ladybug has made a half turn from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock is a half turn. This ladybug has made 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. This ladybug has made a 3-quarter turn. And the last ladybug started at 12 and he went all the way around back to 12. So he made a whole turn. A quarter turn, a half turn, a 3-quarter turn, and a whole turn. Okay, grade 2s. And the last thing you needed to know is a quarter turn. When I make a quarter turn, I can also say that I pass through one right angle. This little box over here, the little square, represents a right angle. So if you turn a quarter, that's 1 right angle. If you turn a half, that's 2 right angles. If you turn 3 quarters, that's 3 right angles. And if you make a whole turn, you will have 4 right angles. So using that information, you can put these words onto these lines. In which direction is the girl moving? What turn did the ladybug do? In which direction am I going? And etc., etc. Okay, so I hope that helped you, grade 2s. And that's it. Oh no, we've come to the end of our lesson. I know that was a lot of work to take in, but I hope you watch this video slowly and then you press pause, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day you can continue watching the rest of the video. So you don't have to watch the whole video in one go. You can take it slowly as you do your booklet. Good job, grade 2s. Well done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you understood how to complete your booklet. And if you have any questions, you just tell Mum and Dad to call Miss Neesa and ask me anything that you would like to ask me. Good job, guys. I miss you guys and I can't wait to see you. Goodbye.
It's time to go